fuel additives, miracle fix, or marketing gimmick. The truth is, some of them are worthless. But others? They quietly fix problems, extend the life of your engine, and save you hundreds of dollars. Today, I'm counting down 11 fuel additives mechanics don't want you to know. I'll start with good, budget-friendly ones and work down to the number one secret additive that mechanics use themselves but rarely recommend to customers. Stick around, because a couple of these could keep your car running better than ever without expensive trips to the shop. Number 11. Tron Enzyme Fuel Treatment. Ethanol in fuel is a hidden killer. It attracts moisture, leading to corrosion in fuel systems, especially if your car sits for weeks at a time. Tron's enzymes break down that moisture problem, prevent phase separation, and keep your fuel fresh. A friend of mine had a Mustang that only came out in the summer. Every spring, it would sputter and misfire because the winter fuel had gone bad. Once he started using Tron, those problems disappeared. Mechanics see ethanol damage all the time, rusted pumps, clogged injectors. Repairs like that can cost hundreds. But a $10 bottle of this additive prevents it completely. At number 10, Gumout Regane High Mileage. If your car has over 75,000 miles, varnish and carbon can build up in your fuel system. That leads to hesitation, rough idling, and lower MPG. Gumout Regane High Mileage is formulated with polyethylamines, or PEA, which aggressively clean deposits. I've seen older Civics and Camrys with rough idle smooth out after 1 or 2 tanks with this stuff. Mechanics often recommend a pricey injector service, but this $7 bottle can give similar results if the injectors aren't physically damaged. Number 9. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple is a premium brand, known for high-end lubricants. Max Clean is their fuel additive that does 3 things. Boosts MPG. Reduces emissions. Restores lost horsepower. It's not the cheapest additive, but performance enthusiasts swear by it. I've seen dyno charts where cars gained a few horsepower after running it through. Mechanics rarely talk about it because they'd rather sell a more expensive top engine clean service. Added every few thousand miles, you'll notice a difference, especially in performance cars. Number 8 is a classic, Marvel Mystery Oil. Around since the 1920s, this red oil can be added to both fuel and crankcase. It lubricates upper cylinders, cleans varnish, and even frees sticky piston rings. I know an old-school mechanic who swears by Marvel Mystery Oil for engines that tick or burn a little oil. He says, it's cheaper than a teardown, and half the time it works. It's a secret from another era, but it's still around because it gets results. Number 7. Liqui Moly Jectron. This is a German-engineered cleaner that's especially effective in imports, BMWs, Audis, Volkswagens. It's known for smoothing out rough idles and improving throttle response. Many European mechanics use this during routine maintenance, but you won't see them advertise it. Why? Because they'd rather bill you for a diagnostic and injector cleaning. In my experience, Jectron works fast. By the second tank, you feel the improvement. At number 6, Redline SI1. This is a powerhouse additive loaded with PEA, the strongest cleaning agent available. It scrubs out carbon deposits, cleans injectors, and restores power in engines that feel tired. I've personally used it on a high-mileage Accord and gained back noticeable throttle response. Mechanics know about Redline, but they won't tell you because it would save you from paying for a pricey induction service. Quick tip, don't overuse additives. Most are designed for every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Using them every fill-up can strip away protective coatings or dilute your fuel. Always follow the instructions and avoid mixing 2 additives in the same tank. Let them do their job one at a time. Number 5, STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner. STP has been trusted for decades. This formula targets varnish, carbon, and injector clogging. It's not flashy, but it's reliable. A mechanic friend once told me, STP is what I use on my own car, but I can't tell customers that, we'd lose service revenue. For around $10, you can't go wrong. Number 4, Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam is famous because it works in multiple ways. Add it to your gas tank to clean injectors, or run it through your intake to burn off carbon deposits. Yes, you'll see smoke. That's a good sign. It's the junk burning out of your engine. Mechanics often have a can hidden in their tool chest, but they won't tell you because it undercuts those high-ticket cleaning services. Number 3. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant. This additive reduces friction in your upper cylinder and protects valves. It's especially good for older engines or vehicles with mild injector issues. I've seen trucks with hundreds of thousands of miles run smoother after using Lucas for just a couple of tanks. Mechanics know it works, they just don't advertise it. Number 2. Techron Concentrate Plus. Developed by Chevron, it cleans injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. It's so effective, many automakers recommend it by name. Mechanics use this during fuel system services and charge you triple. You can grab it yourself for a fraction of the cost. And finally, the number 1 secret fuel additive, BG44K. This is professional grade. Most dealerships use this exact can during their top dollar services. It deep cleans the entire fuel system, restores lost power, and even helps emissions. A mechanic I know admitted they used to pour BG44K into customer cars and call it a premium cleaning service. You can buy it online for about $25. It's their secret weapon, and now it's yours. So there you have it, 11 fuel additives that actually work. These little bottles can keep your engine clean, improve performance, and save you real money. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, because your experience could help someone else. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe to Truth Tuned, and turn on that bell so you don't miss the next one. Drive smart, stay tuned, I'll see you next time.